A very good morning, class 1 students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today I'm going to teach you social study, and a chapter will be, and a lesson will be 8 in school and its importance. Okay, so why the schools are very important to you, and what are the roles which plays in the school? That means what are the things which has been taught in your school. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about this chapter, about this topic. So please take it out a page number 39. Okay, please take out a page number 39, and it is lesson number 8, that is your school and it's important. Okay, so I'm going to read all this one by one, so please listen it properly. So let's start our class today. Okay, school and is important. Okay, so topic ले नै के भन्दैछ, school and is important. School को एकदम important के चाहिँ importance हरु छ school मा चाहिँ. Look here, why school is important for us? The first question comes that why school is important for us. Why? We can study at home also, yes or no, but why we have to come to school for getting education, and why it is very important, why school is important. Without school there is life, means school छैन भने life छैन. Why it is important? So first question is why school is important for us is that number one point is we go to school to learn good things. Yes, we always come to school. Yes, so all the students, okay, all the students, they come to school to learn good things. Okay, good things. Okay, that like way of talking. Okay, the way of eating inside the eating food. Okay, the way of obeying others. Okay, like giving respect to the elders and all, talking in a polite manner. Some of the students, they don't know how to talk also, they talk so loudly, they laugh so loudly, yes or no. So there are small things which we learn in the school. Okay, we learn good things. Okay, and second point is that we learn to read and write. Yes, we know that your first home is your first means whatever I know that in your house you learn how to walk, you learn how to talk, yes or no, but the school also is a second home for you, because this is why it is a second home for you, because we are able to read and write. Okay, we teach you, in the school itself it is taught how to read and write. Did you get how to read and write? Means कसरी लेख्नु, कसरी पढ्नु, सबै कुरो चाहिँ के गर्छ स्कुलमा पढाउँछ. Did you get it? Now third thing is that we learn to count and do sums. Yes, whenever we are born in this earth, okay, हामी यो धरतीमा जन्म लिनु बित्तिकै हामी त गर्न सक्दैन 1 2 3 4 भन्ने गर्दैन, yes or no. For that we come to school, yes or no. First of all हामीले ONE1 पढ्छ, 1 to 50 ONE1 TW2 त्यहाँबाट एड गर्नु सिक्छ, yes or no. So these are the small things we learn at the school. Okay, another point is we draw and paint picture. Yes, we will be taught how to draw the picture, we will be taught how to paint a picture, yes, and after drawing a picture, how to paint a picture, we will be taught. Okay, we will be taught by the respective teachers. Okay, understand? Because there are so many teachers are there. Okay, for each subject there is a teacher, means एउटा subject को लागि teacher हुन्छ, त्यस्तै drawing र painting को पनि एउटा particular एउटा teacher हुन्छ जुन चाहिँले चाहिँ तिमीलाई drawing गर्नु र painting गर्नु सिकाउँछ. Did you get it in the school? Now third point, another point is we learn computer. Yes, yeah, we have got we have got computers at home, but we know exactly what are the things we should know how to use the computer. Yes, we know the basic concept. हामीलाई basic concept थाहा छ, तर सबै details मा थाहा हुन्छ computer को बारेमा, घरमा बसी थाहा पाउँदैन नि, yes or no. So if you go to the computer, if you go for the computer class, हो त्यो पनि एउटा particular school हो तिम्रो, किनकि तिमीले त्यहाँ के शिक्षा पाउँदैछौ, के computer को बारेमा knowledge पाउँदैछौ. Like in the school also we have got computer classes, yes, no. For that also we are getting some knowledge, some basic knowledge about the computer, how to use it. Did you get it? How to use it in the proper way. Another thing is we learn to sing and dance. Yes, in our school you have seen every Saturday there is some kind of competition, like speech competition, like dance competition, like singing competition is there, yes or no. So school is only the one place where you learn, you will learn how to read and write, you will know how to count, you will learn how to use the computer, you will learn how to sing the song, or how to dance, yes or no. So there is so respected teachers who will teach you all the things in a proper manner. Okay, that's why the school is very important. Okay, another thing is that we learn our country, about our country and the world. Yes, the basic thing is that we learn about our country. How many languages are there in our country? Yes or no? How many what are the things which celebrate in the in our whole country, which is the most important day in our country. So many things we learn about our country also, and we learn about the other part of the world. We learn about whole world also. Okay, did you get it? So another thing is the basic thing, the most important thing is this one. We learn good habit and good manners. Yes, good habit. Not you are not allowed to bite their nails. Some of the students, they what they do in the assembly time, they just bite their nails. No, जब नाङ के चाहिँ नङ चेक गर्नु छ त्यो एकदम मुखले त्यो दाँतले पुरा के चाहिँ उयो के रे उयो नङहरु काटेर गर्छ. Yes, it's not good for health. Yes, it's not good because there are so many germs inside your nails which when it goes inside the body, it may fall you sick. So we learn good habits, how to eat. Yes or no? How to eat, what are the things which gives us a good habit. We learn all the things, and we learn about the good manners also. That means over your elders, over your teachers, talk politely. Yes, so many things are there which we learn in the school. This is why the school is very important for us. So we are going to the next topic. That is, your next topic is good habits. Now, what are the good habits? Okay, now we have talked about the good habits. Now, first topic is we respect and obey our teacher. Yes, we should always obey. Good habits मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, हामीले जहिले पनि टिचरलाई सम्मान आदर गर्नुपर्छ. Did you get it? We should always respect and obey our teachers. Did you get it? Whenever your teachers say you something, you should do that. Okay, if your teachers say something and you do not do, that is not a good habit, that is the bad habit. Okay, another thing is that we learn to help others. Yes, we always help, we always see other in the problem. If you help others, okay, it is saying in Nepali or in Hindi, तिमीले कसैलाई help गरेको छैन, without expectation, तिमीले के पनि कसैलाई help गरेको छैन, त्यो तिम्रो return मा हुन्छ, तिमीलाई राम्रो पनि हुन्छ. Okay, so we should always help others. It is a good one of the good habit. Always stand in the queue. That means we should always stand in the line whenever you are in the assembly, whenever you are in the bus stop, whenever you are in canteen, you should always stand in the queue. That means you should always stand in the line, not in the cinema hall. You have seen cinema hall मा चाहिँ एकदम केटाहरु गामराङ बुङ त्यो टिकट पाउनको लागि एक आँखाको माथि चढिरहेको. That is not a good habit. That is not a good habit. एकदम लाइनमा देखेर हेर एकदम डिसेन्टमा लाइनमा गयो भने चाहिँ that is a good habit. Okay, कोला पनि हट हुँदैन, कोला पनि चोट लाग्दैन. Yes or no? So we wish our teacher whenever we meet. अहिलेको जमानामा कतिजना स्टुडेन्टहरु टिचरहरु देख्नु बित्तिकै मुख फर्काएर जान्छ, तर it is not a good habit. जहिले पनि टिचरलाई भेट्यो, whenever you meet teachers, and you should always wish them good evening, good morning, good afternoon. त्यति भन्यो भने कता हो कता. Yes or no? So these are the things which comes in your good habit. We help our classmate. Yes, we should always help our classmates. तिम्रो जो पनि साथी छ क्लासमा, उले के कामहरु गर्छ, क्लास वर्कहरु गरेको छैन भने पनि तिमीले उलाई हेल्प गर्यो, that is also good habit. Did you get it? अब punching them, हिकाएर चिमाटेर त्यस्तो चाहिँ that is not a good habit. Okay, we should always speak the truth. यो हामी एउटा स्टुडेन्ट भएर, हामी तिमीहरु एउटा स्टुडेन्ट भएर के गर्नुपर्छ, जहिले पनि सच्चा बोल्नुपर्छ, कहिले झुटा बोल्नु हुँदैन. बुझ्छ न? एक झुट बोल्नु थाल्यो भने झुट बोलेको त्यो झुटलाई छुपाउन अर्को झुट बोल्नु पर्यो, अर्को झुट त्यो झुटलाई छुपाउन अर्को झुट बोल्नु, त्यही कारण त्यो थपिँदै जान्छ. त्यही कारण हामी तिमीहरु स्टुडेन्ट भएर चाहिँ कहिले पनि झुट चाहिँ बोल्नु, that is a good habit. You should always speak the truth. Okay, we should not write on the wall. Some of the students, what they do, UKG student, कोही student, not UKG, some of the class also students, wall मा लेख्ने बानी एकदम आर्टिस्ट हुन्छ. That is not a good habit. Wall मा के टासेको त्यो च्यातेर डल्लो बनाएर सुई फ्याकेर, that is not a good habit. That is not a good habit. Wall तिर लेख्नु हुँदैन, wall मा टासेको चीजबिजहरु च्यात्नु हुँदैन. Okay, it's not a good habit. Okay, so let's go to the next topic. We are going to study our teachers. Okay, our teachers teach us good things. They look after us. They teach us good manner. They guide us. They show us the right directions. We must obey and respect our teacher. We also have a lot of fun at school. Sometimes our teacher take us for our picnics. Yes. So teachers they always try to teach you a good habits, good manners. Okay, they always show you the correct direction. They never teach you wrong. Okay, they always teach you a right things in your life so that you can do something in your life. That means teacher जसले पनि राम्रो दिशा मात्रै देखाउँछ, राम्रो भविष्य बनाउनको लागि राम्रो पढाउँछ, राम्रो बानी व्यवहार सिकाउँछ, राम्रो कुरो चिजबिजहरू सिकाउँछ. ओके, कति बेला टिचर त्यही कारण चाहिँ हामी टिचर्सहरूलाई पनि जहिले पनि हामी टिचर्सहरूलाई विश गर्नुपर्छ. त्यो विश गर्यो भने उनीहरूलाई सम्मान दिएको हो, बुझ्छ न. सो स्टुडेन्ट, आवर टिचर्सहरू चाहिँ के गर्छ, दे अलवेज हेभ यु टु रिड एन्ड राइट, दे अलवेज हेभ टु यु स्पिक, दे अलवेज हेभ यु इन मेनी थिङ्स, यस, टु डु होमवर्क, to learn a lesson, yes, and they teach you in a correct direction. So this is about your teachers, and some of the teachers are there who take you in the picnics and all for the fun and all, yes or no. So this was about the chapters about the schools, and it's important. Why the school is important? Because you come to know why school is important. किन स्कुल इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो तिमीले थाहा पाउँछ, किनकि स्कुलमा जति सिक्छ नि त्यो घरमा पनि कोही बेला सिक्दैनौ. सिक्छ, घरमा पनि सिक्छ, धेरै कुरा सिक्छौ, तर स्कुलमा चाहिँ धेरैभन्दा धेरै कुरा चाहिँ सिक्छौ. लेख्नु, बोल्नु, हाँस्नु, बात गर्नु, अरूलाई इज्जत गर्नु, टिचर्सहरूलाई इज्जत गर्नु, कसरी बोल्नु पर्ने, कसरी हाँस्नु पर्ने, कसरी खानु पर्ने, सबै कुरो चाहिँ तिमी स्कुलमै सिक्छौ. दिस इज वाइ द स्कुल इज भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट. ओके, होप यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड दिस वान. थ्याङ्क यू सो मच स्टुडेन्ट्स.